Welcome to Smart Cherry's Thoughts. This is Sai from India.
Yeah, firstly, thank you, man. Thank you very much for giving me opportunity to interview you for my YouTube channel and podcast.
No, thanks to you, man. Thanks to you. You invited me on this awesome show, and yeah, I really love it.
So I thought to tell about you and the work that you are doing to my audience.
Okay. So, my name is CJ. Yeah, I'm from tropical sunny Russia, and I'm a web developer by day and an entrepreneur by night. So I'm trying kind of to juggle these two things at the same time and not to die in the process, you know. Um, I have my design and web development studio, and I'm also working on a web memorial project for my grandmother. So yeah,
And also saw you are a stand-up comedian.
yeah, kinda, yeah. My mom says so, but yeah, only among my mom and my family.
Nice, man. So tell me how your journey started as a web developer. What made you to come into web development?
Okay, let me start from the very beginning. So once upon a time, like about 4.5 billion years ago, the Earth was an unformed donut of molten rock. And yeah, I think it's too early. So let's fast forward a bit. Um, I'm Once upon a time, I decided to become a software engineer, a web developer, and started to learn HTML, CSS, JavaScript, this famous trio. Um, I started to learn it from scratch, and after a year or so, I think, yeah, about a year, I was hiding from my friends, was skipping parties, was ridiculously sober and stuff. And after a year, I finally became an employed web developer. So I'm pretty proud of it. Um, then, but after some time, I realized that actually I want something more, maybe to become an entrepreneur, to try my luck there. And then sadly my grandma had passed away, and I decided that I want to make a web memorial for her. um, Saved like memories about her. I cooperated with my friends. First it was one friend who is a brilliant designer, and we started to work. Then a couple of other friends joined me. At some point along this way, we also started to take other gigs and help people to design stuff. So this is how we ended up as a web/design agency. So yeah, if you want to know about like my web memorial stuff, it's very interesting because I don't think many people doing this. So basically, I build web memorial websites. Um, not yet. I'm just building one at the moment for my granny, and it's been more than 2 years since she has been gone, and well, I miss her badly, and really wanted to make something special, something beautiful for her. So she had like a long, interesting life filled with good times and hardships. Um, so I think her memories deserve to be cherished forever, to be saved. And as her grandson and as a web developer, yeah, I believe that it is my duty to save memories about her and to make something really special for her. So that's how a web memorial project was actually born. um, I was surprised at how little I remember about her, and how hard it was to write her life story. It took me a great effort to collect like all old photos, letters, stories about her from my relatives, my family members. All these precious pieces of information could have been lost forever, but luckily I saved it. So as I said, I cooperated with brilliant designers, and together we kind of recreating her biography, building something that really stands out. At least I hope so. A unique, like bespoke place for memories, with a personal touch that reflects what kind of person she really was. Uh, we make we make a great emphasis on the looks, on the design part of every element on this web memorial, on this website. Uh, every tiny detail being meticulously tailored to draw like a big picture. Um, we even made an 8-bit retro game animation to illustrate my granny's fairy tales that she used to tell me when I was a small kid. So yeah, it's my personal project, so that's why I'm kind of very passionate about it. And yeah, such a perfectionist about it, so I really hope that I'm gonna finish it one day because right now I'm already like spent nearly one year and a half working on this. So yeah, quite long time, yeah. And also, I along this way, I decided that why not trying to make similar web projects, web memorials for other people. Like it was never meant to be a business at first, but then I realized that maybe other families could also have memorial websites to preserve memories about someone that they love. Um, this can help our grandchildren learn about the lives and about the lives of our relatives whom whom we barely knew, for example, whom they barely knew, or even or never knew at all. Some people only heard stories about their grandmas, their grandddads. Yeah. So right now I'm thinking of maybe an online platform, like an online memorial constructor, maybe, or maybe a full-blown web agency focused on this niche. Mm, what will set us apart, as I think from other web memorials that, of course, exist, is that we are not going to use boring, similar looking like templates, but instead, every element of our website will be bespoke and unique. So I believe such memorials should be personalized and have a unique design and details that reflects like a personality of the person to whom this memorial dedicated to. So I hope it's not too boring.
It's a great thing. It's a great uh, idea to put her uh, uh, still in the world in the form of memories. So that's a great thought. It's a great thing that you're doing, and I'm sure a lot of people wants to do that. Wants to uh, uh, just uh, make something that that make them feel that they are still alive. They are still with them.
I hope so. I really hope so. I
Yeah.
still gonna test this idea and maybe build a raw MVP first just to try it out because yeah, you need to test everything before uh, building something because it obviously gonna take time to build this platform or even agency. So yeah, testing first. Yeah.
So similar to this, recently I live in India. I live in South India. So
Hmm.
in a state in India, I saw a daughter who lost her father uh, like 1 year ago, and she's
Hmm.
getting married today, and she have only her mother to to be in front of her. She getting married, and she actually forced her mother to recreate her father's
Mm,
that sculpture and put in front of her so that she can feel that he's still alive and he's still watching her and blessing her for the better future. So when you are telling about your grandmother, it made me remind about that. Like, it actually, these things makes us actually make people who went away physically, but still they
hmm.
are in our thoughts, in our
Exactly,
mind. They
exactly.
are still in our mind. What this kind of things will do is it will carry this
Hmm.
information will be for next generation. That next generations, like, it will be alive. Physical bodies will disappear, but the
Hmm.
thoughts, the ideas that we have with people that we share in this kind of a form, in any art form, if we can able to tell by projecting them exactly what we felt with them, and if we are
Hmm.
able to say everything that we felt with them, that will be a great memory for us. At the same time, it will be a great thing for the people who already went away from the world, and also people who are watching that. The young people will learn how important a human's life is, and the relationship,
Hmm.
value of relationship.
Yeah, exactly. I mean, I'm building like a digital version of what you described, like this sculpture, or yeah, and yeah, it's kind of I can compare it to a gravestone, really, but I don't want a gravestone. Stone is kind of something, something a little bit dark, and I wanted to cherish something positive about her, something, some positive memories, some fun we had together. So it's like it's more positive thing. But yeah, in a way, it's a digital gravestone, like for a person who is not with us anymore. So um, yeah, I'm not. It's a very sensitive topic. I'm not too sure. Like how people gonna react to this type of business, but so many competitors already on the market, and the I think the idea is already kind of validated, and there is a niche, and I really hope that I gonna feel it one day. Yeah, it takes time, I'm kind of I'm so as I said, I'm such a perfectionist, so I'm putting so much effort on every tiny detail, and my designers, they hate me probably because of that. But yeah, it I'm ready to spend as much time as it gonna take to make it just just perfect, Yeah.
See, 100 because technology is an extension of humans' emotion or feelings. Technology is the thought, or web development, or web apps, or mobile apps, anything, internet market or internet business, anything. This is the extension of humans' feelings, thoughts, expressions, ideas, all these things. And he need he created this kind of a environment to
Mm-hmm.
put what uh, to put his experiences or emotions or anything that is there in him, and
Mm-hmm.
it is to express. It is a way, or it is a medium, or it is a uh, place where everybody can see it and can learn it, or can do something with it, and it's very important. And any business or any expression that is original, that is real,
Mm-hmm.
that is pure, will create impact.
Mm-hmm.
So, like you said, you have a great emotion with your grandmother. You know, anything that pure, that purity, uh,
Mm-hmm.
that pure relationship or that pure thoughts, and you want to share that positive energy that you have with other people in the form of the in your profession, in the way like you wanted, that definitely will create impact in the world or in technology world, or people who connect with it, or who observe it, or to watch it, or
Mm-hmm.
definitely. And I feel that emotion and technology uh, are interconnected.
True, I agree actually, and the feedback so far from my followers on Twitter was quite positive. You know, too. They kind of they feel it, that it's like it's a real thing. It's about my life. It's like pure emotions, yeah. And the subject is very sensitive, and I really like how people react to this idea and to what I'm building. So I'm building this web memorial in public on Twitter. So I try to post maybe every 2 days, like updates on what's happening, how it is developing. And so far, yeah, the feedback is really great. And I hope I can find my customers afterwards, because some people DMing me and saying like, what a cool idea, bro. Like, I really want, like, I lost my, one guy said, I lost a cat, and I really want to, like, to have a memorial for my cat. I said, why not? Like, it's, yeah, I'm totally up for it. It's just, I think it's so cool. It doesn't matter even, a person is alive or dead. It doesn't matter. You can still preserve memories about someone who is alive still. Like, maybe you want to cherish some moment, some positive emotion that you had, and just to make something special, giant like a giant digital gift card, something like that. That's gonna be there in your corner of the internet, and it's gonna be there forever. And yeah, you can show it to your I don't know, your um, descendants, yeah, to your kids and grandchildren. And yeah, I think it's um, yeah, it's like you are kind of immortalizing a person in a way, or a pet, if you were talking about pets. So yeah, I really like this idea, and I like when business is having like something bigger than just this money making part. Yeah, like the grand idea behind all that. Yeah, I don't know if I gonna ever be able to make money out of it, but this is my goal right now, to at least to finish this web memorial for her, for my granny, and then we'll see how it goes. If it's gonna work, it's just excellent. I would love to spend all my life building these web memorials. If it's not, then I'm fine too. I'm just move on to something else. But for me, it's like my mission now to finish this web memorial for her. Like, this is my duty, as I said.
So, what are your technical skills, and how these technical skills are helping you to do your thing that you are doing now?
Hmm. So I'm a self-taught web developer. I started, I think, in 2016 or 17, and it took me around 1 year to actually gain all these skills that is needed to build somewhat, convincing stuff on the web. And after that, I just started to practice little by little, learned React and other frameworks, so it's just the technical stuff. And yeah, and I realized that I can be building these web memorials that I was talking about with my own hands. So I don't need to hire developers or freelancers. No, I can do it myself. And this is a pretty good, because like I can save money on, so many things, and I don't need to delegate this part. Um, yeah, if only I if only I was so good in marketing. I'm really crap in marketing, so this part I got to delegate. Yeah, I'm joking a lot about how I hate marketing, and that I dream of, of somebody inventing no marketing tools. We have no code tools now. I really pray for no marketing tools. Just press the button and everything is done for you. Marketing is done, and you are like in the top of Google search. Your Facebook ads work and stuff like that. But it's not that easy, unfortunately. This is a good business opportunity, by the way. No marketing tools.
So, like you said, you know HTML, CSS, JavaScript. So you
Mhm,
said you're self-taught developer. So what projects you did?
Oh, it was just a normal, simple, not simple, but just websites. I did e-commerce store a couple of times, just many landing pages, nothing special. Oh yeah, once I built a web app to calculate some special prices for my day job. It's just complicated. I'm not gonna go deep in there, but yeah, I'm kind of I'm still having an imposter syndrome because I'm a self-taught. I don't have a degree. I can build stuff, but I'm not too confident in my abilities. So I'm really kind of humble about my abilities. But I can build stuff. Like it's not something impressive. It's not like the next Facebook or something, or some complicated apps. But just the normal stuff, normal websites, uh, so to say. Yeah. But this web memorial, when I finish it, is gonna be really my pride, because like this is like the top level of my abilities as a web developer, because it's like design is very it's like very complicated, and I wanted to make animations and stuff like that. So it's gonna be it ain't gonna be easy, and I'll be proud to put it on my portfolio, like when I finish it. Are you a technical guy yourself? Are you a
Yeah,
programmer? Yeah.
yeah,
Oh, cool.
yeah. I did masters in software engineering and bachelor's in computer science and engineering.
Oh, now my imposter syndrome gets stronger, man.
And I, I'm also a technical writer, also uh, technical content creator on
Cool.
YouTube, podcast, website, everywhere. And also I'm preparing for AWS solutions architect and cloud engineer positions. Also, I'm writing about AWS AWS cloud solutions architect and cloud engineer, and also DevOps. All these roles syllabus in my website, in my technical website. I'm learning every day. I'm writing. It's like learning and also telling to somebody through my website. It's like teaching and also learning. So both I'm doing that. I'm interviewing
Well,
uh,
and
interviewing
interviewing, you're
people
doing
like you.
everything, man.
Yeah.
There's only 24 hours in the day. How can you, do it all at the same time, man? It's impressive, really impressive. especially technical writing part. I mean, it's so hard to do it. It's so boring, I think, and like, yeah, that's why like technical writers are paid really good, because like nobody is willing to do it, you know. It's like commenting code, you know, nobody likes it, yeah, but still you need to do it, dirty job, right? Somebody needs to do it.
Yeah, just now I wrote a blog post on AWS, how to create a AWS account.
Mm-hmm.
So just now I completed that. I have to publish it. So uh, tomorrow I'll publish it.
Oh, cool, man, cool. I have no idea what's how to work in the AWS. I don't know backend, so many things, just tiny bits, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, enough to hack NASA in it.
But it's easy. But it's easy. You can host your website on cloud, and also you can manage it there. And there will be a lot of resources in the cloud, and you can use it. But it's very easy to
Mm-hmm.
understand. It's not complicated. And
Mm-hmm.
coming to you, like you said, you want to continue and continue a career in creating this web memorial stuff. So
Mm-hmm.
how you're planning and how you're going to do this?
Oh, well, first I think I need an MVP and to test the market, like because it's very important. I don't want to waste 3 or 4 years building something that nobody wants. So as a part of Tech Twitter now, uh, I learned it pretty well that you gotta pay attention to your business idea and evaluate it and validate it by all possible means. Like the more time you spend on validating your idea, the better it's be for you in the future. So that's what I gonna. This is like the first step. If I would see that like the feedback is good, that people are signing up for my, I don't know, free trial version or whatever I'm gonna come up with, if I'll see some traction, then the next step is obviously building like maybe a beta version of this platform. I'm kind of still I'm still not sure what exactly it would be, because I also need to test different ways to build it, to implement it. Maybe people don't need this website constructor or builder. They need like specifically designed like bespoke service, which a web like memorial agency can provide. So I'll should test it. I'll should see what's gonna work better for my audience. Yeah, and I also need to start building an audience, because right now my audience on Twitter is consists of mainly of entrepreneurs and startuppers like me myself, also coders, and I need maybe people who are interested in this subject, who want to like save memories about the loved ones, something like that. Luckily, I have other websites or other web memorials, and I can maybe reach people there who already got like a free memorial there. Maybe cold email them and ask like, do they want something more than that, like something special, and show my works, show my granny's website, and see how they gonna respond, what their reaction gonna be. So this is like so as you can see, it's more about marketing part. So because I need to test waters, so to say, like will it gonna work or it's not worth my time. This is like my main focus for maybe this summer. As for my granny's web memorial, I think I'm gonna finish it, at least the design part, in a month or so. I hope it's gonna be finished, and after that, I'm gonna be developing. I'm gonna be programming this website. So I'm still kind of thinking what technology should I pick. Maybe it's gonna be WordPress. Maybe it's gonna be just vanilla JavaScript, HTML, CSS. I really like vanilla things, and I'll see what is the fastest and most efficient way to do that. Really looking forward, because like I was messing with design for nearly a year and a half, and now this great moment when I actually gonna put it alive, gonna code this website. So I'm really excited, and hope I'm not gonna waste like my much time on it. That I gonna maybe build it in 2 or 3 months. I hope so. Uh, but I also feel obliged to do it myself. I ain't gonna delegate this part. I'm gonna be coding it myself, because like this is like this is what I should give to my granny. It's like it should be done by my own hands.
Uh, so, what are the tools that you are using to build your business?
Well, my main business channel is Twitter. I'm not anywhere like else yet. Maybe Instagram soon, but I'm too overwhelmed with the Twitter already. You know, it's like a full-time job on its own. Sometimes, like it's like a small startup. You have your startup, and this is Twitter startup that you need to grow. And yeah, it sometimes gets very overwhelming, but my main all my clients come from Twitter. So I mean, I said that I also have this design web studio, yeah, and sometimes I have orders from Twitter, so people DM me, and we build like website prototypes, or pixel portraits, so many things. Like it's very random, very like so many things we do. And yeah, so I'm really glad that I discovered Twitter, thanks to people like Arvid Kal and others who promoted actively, like building in public and building Twitter audience. So I was really inspired and started my journey like a year ago, and I grew since. Not that I don't have like a huge following, but it's enough for me to have some orders to pay my bills, and to see what what others doing. I also have many friends thanks to Twitter now, and so many projects are the exact result of me being on Twitter too. So yeah, right now it's just Twitter, but obviously when I'll be actively promoting this web memorials business, I would need to expand and to discover some other channels, maybe even Google Ads. I don't know. It's still like it's a big question. I don't know. I still need to make my thorough research, because obviously don't want to waste money on nothing. So yeah.
So, can you tell about your? Do you have a website for your web memorial thing?
Well, not yet. It's just so far it's just design models. It designed, like I designed maybe 95% of it. Uh, Only one page is missing, and right now we are building it with my designers. And then, like maybe in a month or so, I'll start to developing it. And then what? Buying a domain name, and here it is. My granny has like a memorial website. So it's nearly. I can see like the end of this project, and hopefully to finish this summer, because it took me quite long. All this designing stuff. I thought it's gonna take only a couple of months, but here we are now, like a year and a half later. Uh, my problem is that I'm a perfectionist, and this perfectionism can really get on my way to accomplish something quick, to finish projects, and I'm working on it. I'm fighting with it, but so far I'm losing this battle, I think.
So, You can, if you want to share anything to my audience, if you want to get some clients or customers or anything, you can share it. This audio and video clip is going to be on YouTube as well as on my podcast. So to my podcast people, you can spell it, and to my YouTube people, if you send me your links, I'll put in the description of the video on YouTube. So
Oh,
that
that
will
would be
help you.
great. That would be awesome. That would be great. Yeah. I can share some of my like designs and stuff so people can see what I'm doing actually because right now it's not on. I mean, website is doesn't exist, but like some works, some pieces, yeah, I can share, and that would be really great. Thanks.
So you want to spell any mediums of yours to my podcast people?
Oh yeah, if you want to know to learn more about me, you can find me on Twitter. Yeah, I'll drop you my handle. And yeah,
Uh,
pretty I'm there most of the time, so yeah, I don't think
can you
no.
spell it? Can you spell
Yeah,
your Twitter handle?
it's CJ the creator, so it's like CEEJAY THE CRETE. Yeah.
Uh,
So,
sure. Uh, and do you want to say anything to my audience at last?
well, it was pleasure to be on your channel, yeah, on this show, and this is my first ever interview, so don't judge me strictly. I'm just first time, so I'm really happy, yeah, and I hope not the last time I'm giving an interview.
So you're doing some amazing work, actually. Definitely, your thoughts and the things that you want to do, that you are wanting to do, definitely you will succeed. And I'm sure keep doing what you're doing. And I hope you will reach where you want to reach.
Thanks so much, man. Yeah, I really appreciate your kind words, and thanks for inviting me and yeah, and talking to me
And
today.
sure. And what do you say at last, as a web developer, as a self-taught web developer, as also a business building owner? So what is your observation about my work? Have you seen it?
Oh yeah, I really like how it looks, and I mean, your dedication and the fact that you made so many you're like an orchestra, man. You're doing so many things at the same time. It's really impressive, man. And the fact that you are a programmer yourself and so many technologies, you kind of you're doing it all, man. You are the sole inspiration for it, man. So thank you for what you're doing.
Yeah, thank you for giving me opportunity to interview you and telling about some things about you and about your work to my audience. So I'll also put your Twitter link on the screen. People who
Hmm.
will watch our video on YouTube can see on the screen, and they can connect with you.
Very cool. Awesome.
Yeah, yeah. We'll be connected. Thank you, CJ, for again. Can I put this video on my YouTube channel with your permission?
Of course, of course. Yeah.
Yeah. And also, can I put this audio and video clip on my podcast, website, internet,
Hmm.
social media, everywhere with your permission?
Do whatever you want, man, with this video.
Yeah. Thanks again,
I
CJ.
I totally trust you. Totally trust you. But make me look sexy, okay?
Okay. Yeah. I will do that. Thanks, CJ. Again, keep doing.
Thanks, man. You too. My pleasure talking to you. Yeah. Thanks a
Yeah.
lot, bro. Thanks a lot.
Yeah. Bye.